Grow smarter and save bigger with Click and Grow coupon codes. Are you ready to transform your gardening experience while saving big? Seedling Greenheart with Click and Grow coupon codes, promo codes, and discounts. You can enjoy the beauty of effortless gardening at an unbeatable price. Let's make your dream garden a reality without breaking the bank. Step 1. Visit promosaver.net. Head over to promosaver.net or click the link provided in the description or comments of this video. It's your one-stop shop for amazing discounts on Click and Grow products. Step 2. Choose the best discount for you. Browse a wide selection of coupon codes tailored to fit your needs. Whether it's for smart gardens, plant pods, or accessories, promosaver.net has the perfect discount waiting for you. Step 3. Apply the code and watch the savings grow. Copy your chosen coupon, apply it during checkout on the Click and Grow website, and enjoy instant savings. It's that simple to start growing smarter for less. Glowing Star, why wait? Your garden and savings are just a click away. Glowing Star. Click and Grow makes gardening easy, and promosaver.net makes it affordable. Don't miss this chance to bring nature closer to you while keeping your wallet happy. Start saving and growing smarter today. Visit promosaver.net and unlock your exclusive deals now.